That's crazy. Did we even do an intro? Maybe we should do an intro.
I don't know. Let's do an intro.
Okay. Okay, so we're back here. This is after.
This is Back to the Future.
This is Back to the Future. This is Daniel from the future, Jake from the future, here to say we went 88 miles an hour directly off the track. No. So we're gonna show the crash here in just a second, but we realized that we didn't shoot an intro that we were there, so we went down to Park. Last video you saw the car almost caught on fire, so we were just having a rough time. So now we're gonna cut into me doing my very first lap at Summer Jam, I guess, because I've done Park before. So I've done Park before. I don't know why I suck so bad. Anyway, so we're just gonna go into it. We'll cut into that clip right now.
Everybody keeps kicking dirt off where they go off right there. Kicks dirt off the track. Down.
Hey, it's just a 240 and 6 guys should be able to just pick it up. Right?
Sean, come over here. What'd you think of that?
I didn't see it.
Oh, you didn't see it?
Someone pointed and I'm like, oh no, I know him. That's not my friend.
Okay, so that normally doesn't happen, so don't let that scare you.
Record that. Give it to Sean.
Who the hell uses Sony? Here, I'm the mic man, video crew.
Pretty interesting, pretty awesome, you know.
And hold the brake so that he gets the chain off the front. Let him drag it out.
Yeah, I'll try to before.
Shit.
Go down, you're gonna dig.
Use your brakes to try and slow him down.
Yeah.
That was like, you're lucky. That was great.
Intercooler might be able to.
Yeah, it looks like it's all good. You want to just try to start it?
You want to try and knock some of that?
Yeah. Just keep 2 tires on and 2 tires off. You're going to drag the nut off. Yeah, go back. Yeah, go back. Hey, we can all back and drive out there. Alright, now forward and then take it.
What do you think of that?
That was scary.
I don't know what the hell, dude. Like literally, I was like right there on the edge, and normally like the edge is like perfectly fine, but it was slick as all hell, and I was like, oh.
Yeah.
I got on the gas and I felt it move back, and I was like, no way.
Yeah.
I don't know. I haven't even heat cycled the tires yet. I don't know. Give me a second.
Did you watch that?
No.
Oh.
I told him to break the bumper off though before he left.
You're not leaking any fluids or anything?
I don't know. I haven't even looked.
Good thing you
Dude,
didn't have
for
your
real.
like.
I said no front bumper
Yeah,
for a
good
reason,
thing.
right?
It's okay.
Go slower.
Like a stick.
Yeah. All right, so I just went off track a minute ago. Made sure the car was good. I just was going too fast. I was just kind of like, just a little like anxious, and you're just being stupid. So now I'm just gonna go really chill. I went way too fast. I watched the video and that was way too fast. So we're gonna do it, but way slower this time and nice and calm until I can kind of feel the groove of it. But anyways, we're gonna go out there. You'll see it. I hopefully don't go off the track. Stay in between the lines. Daniel actually completed a successful lap, and let's go see what he thinks of that lap in comparison to the last one.
How was that?
That felt a lot better,
Yeah, it looked a lot better.
except for the power steering pump's dying.
Oh, you probably just crunched the line.
No, I think, well, maybe, I don't know, we could check underneath.
Let's check.
Yeah, but it felt a lot better. Or I messed up in that one spot because like I was like, here, watch out.
Hey, watch it.
But at least I didn't go off the track this time. Like that's a big plus.
Yeah.
It's just that one spot where I went to go the other direction, it literally like stuck in the middle, and I was like, oh. Yeah, no, it felt pretty good. It felt a lot better than the last time because I didn't go and like jump the car.
Yeah.
And it stayed cold. It stayed cold like the whole time. I didn't get a hot temp light at all.
Board slid your car on the first run.
First run was
You parked it.
I messed up.
You can't park there, bud.
I messed up. But yeah, no. So it's gonna be good from here on out. I just needed to get that out of the way, I guess. I don't know. I was just feeling like super nervous, and so now I'm feeling a lot better and more amped up.
Yeah.
So, or more like on track of what I actually need to be doing. So I'm just gonna keep going with it and trying to like actually get going.
Perfect.
Maybe we'll do an in-car run with you in a sec.
Sure. Yeah.
All right. Toe out because it was like not self-steering or something. I know the pump's going out, but like it shouldn't be that difficult. It's just self-steer. Yeah. And then the toe out should help that, right? Are you recording me? Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, then that's exactly what I wanted to say to you guys anyways. I'm actually still nervous, but less nervous. Why do you have that on? You're gonna freaking cook yourself with the visor. Hot and it's steering hella weird. Whoops. Oh, steering pump's dead. And the power steering's dead. Oh, I'm like cranking the hell out of it.
I wonder if you pinch the line.
Yeah, it's like it literally has it and then it's gone.
What's up, Daniel?
Let's go drive. Hey, day one.
Okay,
right
day
here.
one.
Day one. Wait, tell me your birth story, Sean.
And then I popped out as a little Sean in Guam.
Tell me a story, Jake.
No
one cares.
remember that one time? Remember that one time you went off track today?
Oh yeah, that kind of sucked, huh?
Yeah, it did.
Yeah. Yeah, that wasn't as much fun as you think it would be.
No, like you went off hard.
Yeah, no.
It was bad.
What's a day at Park? That was a terrible day at Park. My very first time at Park was more amazing than this. This was terrible. We were going, and then we got a whole
the motor still runs though.
The motor was ripping.
Good.
The motor was ripping. The very last lap, I felt like it had a million horsepower.
What did you break tomorrow or yesterday or today? I guess.
My side skirts, my rear bumper, my soul, my heart, and all of my passion for drifting.
And your power steering pump?
Oh, my power steering pump. Yeah, I forgot about that one. You know, it's easy to forget.
Yeah.
Okay, so we didn't close out the video at all either. I know you saw in the beginning of the video, we were just kind of like messing around. No close out at all. We just ended up like hanging out. Didn't end up driving the next day or the day after that. It was definitely a fun event. I had a lot of fun there hanging out with my friends. Crashing my car was great. It was a lot of fun. 10 out of 10 would not do that again. But anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. We've got a lot more going up. My car's on jack stands right now, and I have so much more work I have left to do on it. I did end up messing up actually something on the suspension that I need to fix. I have a few other parts that I want to put onto the car. Got a lot left to do. So next event we're planning for is going to be Matsuri in Spokane. So we're going to be doing Spokane County Raceway, or at least trying to. I'm just going to work on it, get going on it. So yeah. Anyways, again, thank you guys for watching.